Hey everyone, today we're going to be reviewing and showing you how to make some espresso on the GROSCHE Milano Black Stovetop 6-cup espresso maker. So check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, it is all about reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. So today we're going to be reviewing and making some espresso on this GROSCHE Milano Black Stovetop 6-cup espresso maker. So I've been using this espresso maker for a couple of months now, and we'll get into my pros and my one wish at the end of the video. But first, let's go over the features of this espresso maker, and then we'll go make a cup of coffee. These GROSCHE espresso makers are available in a variety of colors and sizes. Let's check them out. They're available in black, which is what I have here, red, silver, and white. And they're also available in a variety of sizes. So there's a 3-cup, there's a 6-cup, which is what I have here, and then there's a 9-cup. And when we go to make some coffee, I'll pour that out into a mug for you so you can see exactly how much this one makes. But just to give you a reference in size, the 6-cup is 275 milliliters, the 3-cup is 150 milliliters, and the 9-cup is 450 milliliters. So I'll put links to all these espresso makers in the description below if you do want to pick one up for yourself. They're all on Amazon there, so there's a whole variety that you can pick up. These ones are running for $26.99 currently on Amazon. So this espresso maker says it can be used on electric stoves, gas stoves, or even camping stoves. It has an Italian safety valve on the side. I'll show you that a little bit closer. There it is. It has a heat-resistant comfort handle that protects your finger from hitting the coffee pot. It's also a rubber-based kind of handle. It's very comfortable. It has high quality silicone seals, and the body is made of food grade aluminum. This espresso maker feels quite well built. It screws together nice and easy. It's easy to clean, and the hinge at the top feels very strong. It feels like something that's going to last for a long time, and I've been really happy with the quality so far. So how this functions is you've got the boiler that you fill with water with the valve on it. You've got your coffee funnel that you put in there and fill with your grinds. And then you've got your coffee collector here that just screws onto the top, just like that. You put it on the stove. So let's head on over and make a cup for ourselves. So first off, go ahead and finely grind some espresso beans. If you don't have a grinder, I'll put some links below to some highly rated coffee grinders. From there, go ahead and pour water into your coffee boiler. This is the bottom portion of your espresso maker, making sure to stay below the safety valve. From there, you can put your funnel filter in, and then you can start to put your finely ground espresso into the filter. As you're putting it in, you can smooth it out, but make sure not to compress it. Ensure that the silicone seal is nice and clean and free from coffee grinds. Then you can go ahead and screw on the coffee collector. This is the top part of the espresso maker to the base. Turn your stove on to a low-medium heat, and then you can put your espresso maker right onto the element. 7 to 8 minutes later, you'll start to hear the water percolating, and voila, the liquid gold will start to come out the top of your espresso maker. The aroma of the espresso smells so good as it fills up the coffee collector. Make sure to keep the lid closed at the end because there'll be some gurgling and spitting and you don't want to get burned. You can go ahead and pull the espresso maker off the stove. From there, you can go ahead and pour yourself an amazing cup of espresso coffee. It smells so good. Be careful when you're pouring not to pour too quickly so you don't spill. I promised to show you how much espresso this makes, and this is a large Starbucks cup. And with the 6-cup espresso maker, it fills it about 2/3 to 3/4 full. Alright, so what do I like about this espresso maker and what is my one wish? Well, let's start out with my one wish. And what that wish is when I'm pouring my coffee, if I pour too far, the coffee runs down the front here. So you have to be really gentle when you're pouring, not to go too far. Otherwise, it's all gonna pour down the front here and all over your stove. So as long as I know that, I'm okay with it. I just need to pour slow. but the first time I did it, I made a big mess. So, hey, they could maybe make the funnel a little bit better so when you pour a little bit further over, it pours nice and smooth and doesn't run down the front. So with that all being said, and I think that's pretty minor, I would still definitely buy this espresso maker. Let's move on to the pros, or the things I love about this coffee maker. The first would definitely be the taste. The coffee or espresso tastes wonderful. And again, this one probably makes enough for about 2 people. Maybe I wish I'd bought the bigger size so when we have company, we could make enough for 4 people, but it tastes great, and maybe I'd buy the bigger one in the future so I have both of them. So that's the first thing. The second thing that I really like is the handle. The handle, this is a rubberized coat on it, and it's got this little blocker here so it protects your finger from touching the hot pot there. So I do really like that. It feels sturdy in your hand. And the espresso maker looks really sleek. So if you have that sitting on your stove, it looks really cool. And again, it's available in multiple different colors, the red, the silver, and the white. You can check those in the links out in the description below. But I would definitely think it looks really cool. It's got a good look to it. And the other thing I really like about it is this certified safety valve here. It makes it feel really safe and high quality, and it doesn't feel like it's going to explode on you when it's sitting on your stove. So I really like this espresso maker, and I would buy it again. So I hope you enjoyed this review and tutorial of the GROSCHE Milano Black Stovetop 6-cup espresso maker. Now that's a mouthful to get out. We've really enjoyed this, and I hope this helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking every day, because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching, and take care.